Alright, we're back here again today, and today is a spring cleaning day. This place is got stuff everywhere from the winter, doing different projects inside the garage. Yeah, you can just see there's stuff everywhere. So today, we're gonna get some of the trash out. We got our trash can, and try to organize some of these tools again, like they were. So I'm gonna go over some of the things that we got to hopefully help with the organization, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, so yeah, there's where my workbench is supposed to be. As you can see, it's covered in tools and other things. But here's some of the things we're going to do to try to make this a little better. Alright, one of the things we got, these magnets, the magnetic tool holders. So we got a bunch of those we're going to put up, and you can see where I started putting a few of them up there. We're going to cover this board in them basically. Hopefully that's going to help get a bunch of these tools off of this area. That's another thing I got from Harbor Freight. It's a 4-foot long 12 outlet power strip. So that's going to go up on the workbench. So we'll be able to have our outlet charging. I'm also thinking about putting more magnets along here and maybe along the shelf too. And then for the air hose and extension cords, they had these for 99 cents the other day. So we got 2 of those. I'm going to at least put one over there and put extension cord in my air hose and stuff. So that's the plan. And like I said, I got most of all this stuff at Harbor Freight. And we'll see how this stuff goes. And see how good it actually works out. So, alright. Alright, we got the wall cleaned off. I just got to pull some of the nails out. I'm going to pull these back off and redo where they're at. And then, yeah, we got all the magnets opened up. Whoa. Just got them all sticking there for now. A couple over here. And then we're going to start putting these up on the wall. See how it works out. Alright, got this started here. A couple quick tips. One, if you're right-handed, start on the right side so you're not trying to drill over this way. You know, you got your drill and you're trying to hold it. Yeah, be a lot easier to start on the right. The other thing, once you get your first one up, they'll hold all your screws for you. And then I got this level here. I try to keep it level across, and it's a little too wide and kept falling off. So I just got a couple little sockets and set on there to hold them in place. And you just pull them down, make sure it's flush, make sure these aren't changing your level or anything. And now we're gonna go across, and then I'll start, you know, from the right side and come back. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so there it is. Harbor Freight magnetic wall, tool holder, magnetic wall. Yeah, whatever you want to call it. But, alright, so next thing, we just got to start loading it up with some tools. And, yeah, I got plenty. I'll figure out something to put up there. So, let's see how it looks after we get it loaded down.